Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to earn Robux. So this is gonna be a very easy one, so let's get started. So there's actually multiple ways to earn Robux on Roblox. So the first way that I would suggest you, which is actually the easiest way to actually earn Robux in Roblox, is you want to basically just play a game. So there are particular games that you can actually play to earn Robux. So one of those games is gonna be Please Donate. So Please Donate is actually a game that you basically make a stand and ask for donations. So if you ask for donations, you'll really receive Robux for this one, but there's actually a wait time for when you receive your Robux. So I think it's about a week before you receive your Robux. But yeah, just need to wait a few days if someone donated into your stall. And as you can see right now, you're going to make your stall and receive donations. And from there, you could just basically earn your Robux. So one of the other games that you could actually play is gonna be Please Judge. So it's kind of similar with Please Donate, but instead of just donating, you'll have to showcase your talents for this one. So you could either sing, do instrumentals, or dance if you have any, and basically just showcase yourself on the stage, and people will judge that and basically give you free Robux. I guess it's free because you just need to be yourself on that stage, and basically they will judge you and give you donations if they deem that they have to. But yeah. So another way for you to earn free Robux is you might want to try selling free limited UGC. So sometimes in marketplace, you'll be able to see UGC or limited UGC that are actually free. So I would suggest you want to go to marketplace for this one, and you want to go from low to high for this one, and basically filter as much as you can. So let's just go into limited. And from here, sometimes there's gonna be limited UGC that is actually free. So you might want to buy that. So right now it's a lot easier, but you have to be really fast for this one. So search for those that is actually free and add it into your inventory. So once you've got your UGC or limited UGC, from there on, you could just basically sell it to other creators or other players in Roblox. But the only downside for this one is you'll have to have a premium in order for you to sell those items. So usually, how do you actually sell your items? So for example, this is the limited item here. You just need to go to the top right, and from here you'll be able to see the sell item option. But for you to have that sell item option, you'll have to have premium. That is the only downside for that, but we'll also have other options, so don't worry. So another way for you to actually earn Robux into your account is we want to basically suggest you might want to try selling shirts on Roblox. But you also have to invest on this one for a bit because you'll need at least 10 Robux to upload your shirt creations. But right now, this is actually the free one because for example UGC items that is like 3D models, you have to be under the UGC program for Roblox. But if you're just creating shirts, you'll be able to upload your creations for 10 Robux. So you don't have to be under the specific program to upload your shirts. So it's actually really easy. You just need to go to the create tab here. It's going to load up a new tab. And what you want to do is you want to go to your avatar items. And as you can see, you have the classic t-shirts option here. And from here, you just need to upload your assets. So there's actually a template for this one. So make sure to check our channel for the tutorial on actually creating your shirts or your own shirts on Roblox. But yeah, from here, once you've uploaded your t-shirt, you just need to go ahead and go to that shirt itself. And from here, you just need to enable this one and sell it for a specific price here. Now, once you've set your price, just need to click on save changes, and it's going to actually deduct the 10 Robux. As you can see, it's going to ask for 10 Robux. So if you already have 10 Robux in your account, it's going to automatically deduct that from your account. But yeah, so that's one of the ways for you to earn free Robux. Now, if you're a professional programmer or you're just pretty good with scripting and building your own games in Roblox or just 3D modeling in general, then I would suggest you might want to try finding jobs in Roblox. As you can see, they're giving out 10,000 plus Robux each for modeling 3D clothes and armor on Roblox characters needed modeler. So you can just basically search for jobs here. As you can see, there's compensation for Robux, and yeah, so you're basically just getting a job in Roblox and you'll be receiving Robux. So yeah, it's especially helpful if you already know around 3D modeling, scripting, even creating your own game could be really helpful. But yeah, let's open up any game here just to give you an example. As you can see, there's requirements here. Must be 13 or older, must have a prior previous work showcase, experience in creating user-generated content, UGC accessories, and must have a Discord account. And yeah, as you can see, the compensation is gonna be 18,000 Robux per item, but is negotiable and will be based on complexity of that design. But yeah, this is the jobs, and basically you can just click on apply here, and yeah. Also, for you to apply for this one, make sure that you create your creator page public in order to apply for this job here. So make sure to make your creator page public first. Now, the final way for you to actually earn Robux into your account is we might suggest you to actually just create your own game. So if you have the necessary skills and building your own game, scripting, modeling, and all those stuff, then maybe you want to create your own game. So there's like a substantial amount of things that you could do to actually make it earning from your game. So you can create passes if you have your game already. So I'll be showing you how to create your pass here. So let's go to create, and you want to go to the game that you have right now, and you want to go to the section that says associated items, and you want to go to passes. So here it's going to say you have a created a pass. Just click on create a pass, and from here you just basically create your pass. And once you've created your pass, you just need to add your price for it. So I'm just gonna create a sample for this one and open up this one. And here we want to go to sales, and basically you just need to click on item for sale and indicate the pass for your game here. But yeah, this is one of the ways of you earning from the game that you'll be building. But if you have the necessary skills and modeling skills, yeah, you might want to consider in creating your own game and creating your passes here to get earnings from Roblox and get those Robux. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you can use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.